Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and review of this BOSE SOUNDLINK Flex. So let's get started. Inside the box, we have the BOSE speaker, a USB Type-C charging cable, but the wall charger is not provided, so you'll need one of your own, and instructions. The first step in connecting your BOSE speaker to Bluetooth is to download the BOSE Connect app. So I'll open my app store and download the app. While we're waiting for the app to download, let's go ahead and open the speaker package. The speaker has a nice fabric handle on the end that you can hold it or you can attach a hook to so you can connect it to your backpack or whatever. This is a solid speaker. The shell of the speaker is made out of silicone, so it's soft to the touch. Now let's go ahead and charge this speaker. Like I said, it doesn't come with a wall charger, so I have my own and we'll plug it into an outlet and get this charging. Let's check out the app and see if it's done downloading. Yep, it's all done. So next what I'm going to do is just follow the prompts on the app until I get to this point. This is where I'm going to need to connect the BOSE speaker to the app using Bluetooth. First, I'll turn the speaker on. Then I'll drag the picture of the speaker down to connect. Next, we'll go into the settings on my phone and select Bluetooth, and we'll wait until it shows up under other devices. Once it's there, I'll click that, and the BOSE SOUNDLINK Flex should be connected. So let's try that out.
Battery 30%. Connected to iPhone 9.
Perfect. The volume up and down button are easy to use. Everything seems to run nice and smooth. The button in the middle is to mute the speaker. I would definitely say that the quality of this speaker is just like you would expect from any other BOSE product. It's bassy, clear, and crisp. Now, I would like to do a little experiment and bring this speaker outside into the pool area. Whoa, I honestly was a little nervous throwing this into the pool, but it turns out it's fine. It cuts off and then it turns right back on once it's back out of the water. So I think this would be a great addition to any beach outing or any pool party that you may have. The sound is incredible because it's BOSE, right? So for $150, I believe that this is a handy little speaker that is perfect for any outing. Well, thanks for watching.